Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Specialista espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the grinder, this one that you see right here. And in order to get to this grinder is really hard, as you need to remove the whole side panel, part of the bottom part of this machine, the whole top piece of the entire machine needs to go out. This back panel on the back needs to go out as well. Plus there's another panel right here located behind this panel that needs to be removed in order for you to access the board of the electronic connections of the board, so you can plug in this grinder in there. So we went there, installed the new grinder, and now we're gonna test it. So started with 1 shot of espresso. We're gonna be testing out this grinder. Then we're gonna be using some hot water and then some steam. We're grinding on the third setting of the grinder, and we are using our test coffee. Perfect. Now we can do a shot of espresso. Nice flow coming out of the spouts. Okay, it's going all the way to the optimal zone, which is great. Should burn out properly. Going to manually step it over here as the customer program for a much bigger shot. But as you can see through here, to the camera, that's a nice shot of espresso. Excellent crema on top of the espresso shot. Really good shot of espresso. The water of this machine, as you can see, it has a nice steady stream coming out of there. So pretty. And for the steam, we're gonna be testing the steam as well. And for the steam, it's a nice steam coming out of the one. Same temperature. Looking amazingly. So there you have it, DeLonghi Specialista working once again and ready to grind. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.